Vamos al Tigre. Bueno. So in 1969, our family was taken away from these lands due to the war. And this is the first time I come here since I was a kid. And yeah, a lot of memories. But I'm happy to be here. A lot of my family got taken away due to the war and got put into concentration camps. And it's really hard to say what I'm feeling because this is the first time I get to hear a lot of stories about El Tigre. But yeah, it's beautiful. A lot of coffee beans. This used to be one of the smallest villages. Now there's roads and there's transportation, of course, via tuk-tuk or mototaxis, like they call it here. Took us about an hour and a half to get here from the village below, which is Caminata. And I'm with my niece. And this is how they drive here. They don't have any respect for the people. They're in cars. Ay, qué bonito es el Tigre. Está bonito el Tigre. Muchos recuerdos. Local mercantile, pulperias, little stores. They sell a little bit of everything.
Aquí es el portón donde si nos hubieran dado pasada aquí hubiéramos.
Aquí era, no entiendo por qué lo tienen privatizado, pero así son. A lot of poor people that still live here. But there's a lot of people that have money. They're only built and they live in the United States. lot of mango trees, a lot of nance trees, bananas, plantain. ¿Qué más de fruta hay acá? Naranjas, oranges, mandarins.